Standard fit. This hitch receiver tube features industry-standard inside dimensions, able to accept virtually any 2-inch x 2-inch shank, including a trailer hitch ball mount, tow hook or other receiver hitch accessories. High strength. This receiver tube is constructed from quality steel to offer dependable strength. Reinforced collar. To maximize strength at the opening, this hitch tube receiver is fitted with a 1/2-inch reinforcement collar. Ready to weld. This Weld-On hitch receiver comes with a raw steel finish to allow you to weld it into place right out of the package. It can be used for custom towing systems, workshop builds or other weld projects. Pre-drilled. For convenience, this Weld-On trailer hitch receiver tube comes with a pre-drilled hole to readily accept a trailer hitch pin. For the do-it-yourselfer, CURT offers an entire line of towing fabrication components to supply you with the quality building blocks you need. These raw steel components are made from solid steel for maximum strength, and they come ready to be welded together in whatever form you need to get the job done. CURT fabrication steel receiver tubing can be used to extend the reach of your receiver or to create a piece of custom towing equipment. Each unit is equipped with a 1/2 reinforcing collar for extra strength and has a raw finish to be ready for welding. This receiver tube has a 2x2 opening and measures 12 in length. Top reviews from the United States. Compliments the tow hitch I bought. I rigged up a winch on my car trailer that is removable. I used the receiver and the tow hitch to make the thing work.